What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the ESR Sentry case for the iPad Pro 2020. I got this protective case from Amazon and we are going to unbox it and review it in details. This case has so many awesome features that we are going to take a look in this video. The case has 7 viewing angles to fit your viewing needs. There are 2 powerful magnets on the back of the case that can attach to surfaces like refrigerators without falling down. Furthermore, the case has a hook strap where you can hang your iPad if you don't want to hold it in your hands. The case also has a wake sleep function when you cover the screen. Make sure you watch this video until the end if you're planning on buying this case, because I have done a lot of different tests you don't want to miss out. If you want more information, check the description section. Let's take a look at the 7 viewing angles of this case. As you guys can see right now, the 2 magnets on the back also help support the case. It protects the case from sliding off of the viewing angles. Also, when you apply pressure, the case is not going to shrink. It's very strong. Let's put the iPad Pro 2020 in this case, then I show you exactly what it looks like. We are going to take a look at all the cutouts and we're going to see if the buttons respond properly. As you guys are going to see right now, the cutouts are on point. Everything is awesome. The buttons are clicky and responsive. Also, there is a nice raised lip for protecting the screen and the camera. If you drop your iPad onto the ground, this case is going to protect it. Also, the cutouts are nice and big. You can fit your charging devices, or if you have other outside accessories that you want to attach to the iPad Pro. Let's do a 360 view so you can see exactly what this case looks like. As you can see from the back here, you have that nice slot where you can put your Apple Pencil. Also at the top here, you can charge your Apple Pencil without falling down. The cover for the screen is also magnetic. It can attach to the screen and not come off. As you guys can see right there, the camera has a raised lip. If you drop it onto the ground, it's going to be protected. Right now we are taking a look at the buttons and all the cutouts. You can see there everything looks nice. It's awesome. Towards the end of the video, I clipped it onto a refrigerator and it never fell down. I also used the hook strap to test out what it looks like. You will see it towards the end of the video. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video. Watch until the end. If you like, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. If you want more information, check the description section. Until then, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.